Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make or create the thumbnail, let's say for the YouTube or Instagram and another purposes. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, did you know that creating this simple thumbnail is 100% for free, and here I will use my Android phone to create this one. Isn't that pretty simple, right? So the first step you can do, you can start to install this PixelLab first. And after that, you can start to open it, and don't worry because you don't need to do the login first, and also you don't need the, let's say, several credit, etc., because this is very 100% for free. And after that, you can also think about the topic that you would like to present into the thumbnail. For example, maybe that I have now is about the top 10 hidden waterfalls in the world, and also maybe you have also prepared the picture here that represent about the waterfall, and also you can add the additional thing like this one, the short girl short girl, and also in cartoon. And I will show you the tutorial. So this is the look of the home page of this PixelLab, and after that you can start to slide to the left and click this white blank page, and you can click these three dots up here on the top right corner, and you can click this image size, and on the preset category you can click this one, and you will see the YouTube thumbnail like this. And after that you can also adjust the size of the YouTube thumbnail or the ratio, and after that I will click OK here. And the next step is I will go to the three dots again up here and click the use image from gallery, and it will direct you into this section to select a picture from the gallery. For example, I will choose this one. And as you can see that this picture has also direct into the certain size of the ratio of the YouTube channel or the YouTube video. So I think that the ratio would be like this, 16 and 9, and you can continue to click OK or tick over here. And after that, how to add the short girl or additional girl or the layer, you can click plus on the top left corner like this, and after that I will go to the from gallery, and I will choose this one and click OK down here, and you can start to drag or move this picture, and you can also adjust the size of this picture by clicking these big dots like this. You can hold it with your one finger, it's enough, and I will place it over here. And you can click another or click randomly to end up the selecting process like this. And after that I will add the word of the thumbnail. For example, you can click A down here and plus to add the text, and you will see the new text over here. You can move it into this section, for example, and you can click edit down here, and I will edit and add the text like the top 10 hidden waterfall. Okay, and don't worry because you can also adjust the alignment. You can simply scroll it to the left or to the right like this, and you will find this like you would like to do the editing of your text in Microsoft Word, and click OK. And I will click the background and I will click the enable to add the background that surrounded that surrounding these words or this text, and I will choose it OK to become black and click OK. And you can also choose the font. For example, I will choose this arm wrestler and click OK again. And the last touch is I will put the another text. You can click randomly or end up the selection and click text again. You will see the new text over here, and I will keep this text selected and type another text, for example, in the world. And you can also adjust the capital letter like this by clicking this double T on the top left corner. Okay, I mistyped. I'm sorry, world. There you go. Okay. And for this one, I will start to adjust the size. You can slide this scale, or you can click this plus or minus like this. It will give you easiest way to do the editing and adjust the size, and click OK. And I will go to the font style or the font again. I will click arm wrestler. And the last touch is I will click the background here, enable the toggle, and I will change the color to be the blue like this, and I will move it a little bit, stick with the previous text. And I will also add more size like this. And after that, you can start to save this thumbnail. You can click this one, save. You can save it as an image, and you can go to click save to gallery. So that's all guys, this thumbnail is ready to use to be put as your thumbnail in the YouTube video. And if you have any requests or feedback about this tutorial, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.